From Mediterranean-style hammocks to a wide range of wall decors that take root in Arabian weaving traditions and elaborate plant hangers with tassels longer than their base, macrame craft has become an indisputable part of every Bohemian-style home. Originating many centuries ago and integrating different, unrelated cultures, macrame art got a second chance in the past few years. Houses and small offices feature at least one item, hand-plaited from normally beige or white cord. Something about those intricate knots with lengthy, empty spaces in between catches the eye. Thick tassels, loose threads, a combination of polished and unfinished details. Macrame art fits perfectly both the modern and rustic environment. Macrame art and craft have surpassed that phase when only a small circle of people, often looked down by society as dirty hipsters, would tie a few pieces of thread to create a boho item. So simple, yet so exquisite. While the hipster subculture is often credited with the invention of macrame handmade home decorations and interesting pieces of clothing, the art of macrame dates back to the 13th century. Arabian weavers are believed to be the first to complicate the simple art of knitting. After a long time of using the thread for only practical needs, the Arabs found a new applications of their ancient art. The Victorian era that saw revolutionary breakthroughs in many aspects of modern life, including the arts, spurred an interest in macrame once again. The intricate handmade macrame craft quickly filled many homes. Macrame was used to make tablecloths, curtains, and bedspreads. The longing for the elaborate art to decorate the abode, however, faded with the end of the era. A short period of macrame revival occurred between the 1970s and the 1980s. The interest in macrame art and craft resurfaced relatively recently. Elaborate knotted items, whether it's playful plant hanger or sophisticated three-tier macrame floating shelf, appear in modern boho chic homes with lightning speed. And it looks like this trend is going to prevail for a while.